Today we will be disassembling and reassembling of our engine and function. Taking off time machine. What after we move the sprocket? Move this nut. Now we're removing the time machine wheel. Remove the time machine. Now we're removing the pump cap. Taken out the pump cap. Take on extra. I will take it out from the top. Now we'll be taking out the head bolts. Now I'll be taking out the cylinder here. Taking out the head gasket. Now we'll be taking out the oil pan or the oil sump. Taking out the oil sump. Now taking out the strainer, the oil strainer. Now we'll be taking out the crankcase. Taking out the bolt on the crankcase. Now removing the crankcase. Now we'll be taking out the piston and the crankshaft. Now we'll be taking out the connecting rod and the crankshaft cap. Now we'll be loosening the connecting rod cap. Moving the connecting rod caps. We'll be taking out the crankshaft cap and removing the crankshaft. Now removing the crankshaft cap. Now remove the crankshaft. position. Now we finish disassembling. Now we'll be reassembling all the parts. Now reassembling of the front shaft. Reassemble the front shaft caps. Tightening the front shaft caps. Now we will be reinstalling the piston. Now we will be reinstalling the piston. Now reinstalling of the connector caps. Tighten the connector rod cap up. Now we will be installing the front case. Now I will be installing the high spring. I will be installing the alpha for the also. Bottom half is complete. Now we'll be reinstalling again. Now we'll be reinstalling the head gasket and the cylinder head. Now reinstalling the head. Now we will be tightening the head. Now we will be reinstalling the camshafts, intake and exhaust. Reinstalling the camshaft caps. Now we will be tightening the camshaft. will be reinstalling the time machine. To install the time machine wheel. Now we reinstalling the time machine wheel. The time machine wheel. Our finish. This was the disassemble and reassembling of a 4-cylinder 1.7 engine.